Here we go. Oh my God, that's a nice bass. Joe, grab it, grab it, grab it. Oh my God. That's a 5-pound bass. Come on, bud. Oh my God. I gotta find the cleaner water. It's probably hurting.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, look at this. That?
Bring him closer to the water.
He wants to go back to his pond.
No, here he comes.
Oh my God, he went between my legs.
Yes.
What the fuck, yo, this footage is great, dude.
Great day.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Yo, it does not get more real than that.
No, it does not. Oh, so cool.
Fuck yeah, bro. You got that whole fight on camera too?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my God. Let me see the picture. Yes. Yeah. So we do YouTube. I want everyone to subscribe to Peely Skin Corey. Fuck.